Students, welcome again in your geography class. Today I am going to start with natural vegetation part 2. Forest, also known by the name tropical thorn forest. What are the climatic conditions of these forests? These forests are found in the areas which receive rainfall less than 50 centimeter. The mean annual temperature ranges between 25 to 27 degrees Celsius and humidity is less than 47%. The trees of these forests have thorny bushes, have long roots. What is the advantage of these long roots? The long roots penetrates deep into the soil in search of water and preserve moisture. Leaves are thick and small to minimize evaporation. In these forests include babool, date palm, ber, kher, neem, khejri, cacti, etc. Also known as xerophytic vegetation. What do you mean by xerophytic vegetation? It is the vegetation that can survive with less rainfall or no rainfall. So that is the reason the trees are stunted with large patches of coarse grasses. In these forests, plants remain leafless for most part of the year and look like scrub vegetation. That is why this vegetation is also known as thorn and scrub vegetation. Forest. Bay fruit is eaten raw or made into pickle or beverages. Its timber is hard, strong, tough and durable. That is why it is used for making boards, agricultural implements, etc. Babool bark and gum have medicinal value, particularly for dental hygiene. Date palm is also eaten as raw, also used as an astringent, paste for sore throat, cold, fever, etc. Neem tree is used for many purposes, particularly neem oil, leaves and neem extract are used to manufacture health and beauty products. It is also used as an insecticide. Littoral forest or tidal forest. Climatic conditions required for littoral forests are: these forests are found in wet and marshy areas, in river deltas, in tidal or other swampy areas along the sea coast. Important characteristics of tidal forests are: this is the vegetation which can grow in salty as well as fresh water. Trunks of these trees are supported by stick-like roots, that is also known as pneumatophores. The tree's trunk are supported by a number of stiff roots which remain submerged underwater during high tide and can be seen during the low tide, and that is why they are able to breathe both in high and the low tide. They have profuse growth with tangle of climbers, which is an adaptation for survival both in shifting and soft mud. Mangroves are common varieties with roots of the plants submerged under water. Two typical trees native to this area are Gojan tree and Sundari tree. They are also called mangrove forests. The other important trees of these forests are Amur, pine, Sundari, agar, cane, etc. Economic value of littoral forest, particularly the Sundari tree that provide hard durable timber and used for fuel as well as for boat making. Forest. In the mountain regions, temperature decreases with altitude, so that is why vegetation also varies because temperature is different and rainfall conditions are also different. So these forests contain mixed species of broadleaf evergreen trees, coniferous, and the foothills of Himalayas deciduous forests are found. Forests. These forests are found in areas where annual temperature is 12 degree to 13 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is between 100 to 300 centimeter and annual humidity is between 56 to 65%. Important characteristics of mountain vegetation. These forests contain mixed species of broadleaf evergreen trees, coniferous as well as deciduous trees. For example, at the foothills of Himalayas, deciduous forests are found at an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meter. They are the moist temperate forests. In the hilly areas of West Bengal, Uttarakhand, evergreen broadleaf trees like chestnut and oak are found. Between the altitude of 1500 to 1750 meter, coniferous trees like till pine is an important tree. At an altitude of 2250 meter and 3000 meter, blue pine and spruce are found. At an higher altitude, alpine forests and pastures are found, followed by mosses and lichens. Beyond the snow line, no vegetation is found. Particularly, this all vegetation is in the northern areas of India in Himalayas, but in the peninsula region, the area is only about 1500 meter in height and vegetation varies from tropical to temperate forest. The important trees found in these forests include laurel, cinchona, wattle, jamun, plum, etc. With this, I conclude natural vegetation. Students, go through the video and back exercise of this chapter carefully. Any doubt, please ask during the interactive session. Thank you and good day.